Hi children, hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to your online class. See, we are going to learn the next chapter, weight. What do you mean by weight? See, let's see. Compare heavy and light objects. What we are going to do, heavy and light object. How you are going to see which is heavy and which is light. See, we have an example, blow and see. Take a small piece of paper and an eraser keep it on the table. Gently blow across object. What do you observe? Paper flew away. When you blow air, the two objects are kept here. The paper flew away means has fallen down. Why? Because paper is lighter than eraser, so it fell down. Repeat the above activity using the following pair of materials. Identify which one is heavier and write in the box. See which is heavier, we have to write in this box. Pencil. And then here this is a cotton and this is a nail. We have to write, or else you just circle, children. Okay? Then eraser and a leaf. You try out these activities, children, in your home. Keep eraser and a leaf on the table and see which will flew away. Look at the picture. Look at the picture below. See which is the animal is this. Which animal is heavier? Elephant is heavier. The monkey is not that much heavier. Next. Heavy and light we are going to see. Observe the following picture. Which is heavy? Put tick mark in the given box. See, banana or pineapple. Pineapple is heavy. A glass or a bucket of water. Bucket. Apple or a lemon. Apple. See, vase or a tub. This is heavy. Okay. Before doing the above activity, let's compare the weights of different things holding them in their hands. Okay, you have to find out which is heavy and which is light. Write H for heavy objects and L for light objects. See, pencil is light and book is heavy. Here, this is light. Bag is heavy. One book if you hold, you can hold easily. If you want to hold the bag, it is heavy. See, this is light and this is heavy. And this is light. Scale is very light and bottle is heavy. And table is heavy and chair is light. When we compare these two, which is heavy and which is light, we have to write, children. We should not compare in this way. So this we have to compare only these two they are asking. Okay? Coming to the next point. Coming to the next page. See here. The cycle is heavy or car is heavy? Light. Heavy. Bat is heavy. Ball is light. Leaf is light. Mango is heavy. Okay, take a water in a big tumble. Put a piece of wood in thermocol on it. Which one will float and which one will sink? Try to do this, children. Activity. This will be a homework for you activity. And please try to do all this activity. Okay. Shall I show you one activity for you easily? See, I'm keeping a piece of paper on the table and a sharpener. Okay. When I'll blow, the paper will flow away. whereas eraser is here. The paper has fallen down. Okay. In this way, you try all the 3 activities and take care. Bye.